Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Land Rover lineup, showcasing the latest models, features, and innovations from this iconic British brand. Whether you're a long-time Land Rover fan or just exploring your options for a luxury SUV, we've got all the details you need. 1. 2024 Land Rover Defender Overview. The 2024 Land Rover Defender continues to build on its legendary off-road capability with modern technology and comfort. Engine options: P300, 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 296 horsepower. P400, 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid technology delivering 395 horsepower. P525, 5.0-liter supercharged V8 generating 518 horsepower. Features: advanced off-road tech, terrain response 2, air suspension, and a weighting depth of up to 35.4 inches. Interior: premium materials, configurable ambient lighting, and a 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety: standard adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Variants: Defender 90, a two-door version emphasizing agility and sportiness. Defender 110, a four-door model offering more space and versatility. Defender 130, the extended version providing additional seating and cargo space. 2. 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Overview. The 2024 Range Rover combines opulence with cutting-edge technology, perfect for those seeking a luxury SUV with top-tier performance. Engine options: P440e, plug-in hybrid with the 3.0-liter inline-6, offering a combined 434 horsepower and an electric-only range of around 48 miles. P530, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 generating 523 horsepower. SV, special vehicle, ultra-luxury variant with bespoke features and even more power. Features: interior, ultra-premium materials, customizable seating options, and a 13.1-inch touchscreen with the latest Pivi Pro system. Comfort: executive seats, rear seat entertainment, and a premium Meridian audio system. Safety: advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automated parking. 3. 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport Overview. The 2024 Range Rover Sport is designed for those who want a sporty driving experience without sacrificing luxury. Engine options: P360, 3.0-liter inline-6 producing 355 horsepower. P400e, plug-in hybrid with a combined output of 434 horsepower. P530, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower. Features: performance, dynamic air suspension and active rear locking differential for enhanced handling. Interior: luxurious materials, a new 13.1-inch touchscreen, and a driver-focused cockpit. Safety: comprehensive suite of safety features, including a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. 4. 2024 Land Rover Discovery Overview. The 2024 Discovery blends versatility with modern technology, making it an ideal choice for families and adventure seekers alike. Engine options: P300, 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 with 296 horsepower. P400, 3.0-liter inline-6 with mild hybrid technology, producing 395 horsepower. P550, 5.0-liter supercharged V8 for those seeking more power. Features: interior, spacious with a flexible seating arrangement, advanced infotainment system, and premium materials. Technology: enhanced connectivity with the 11.4-inch touchscreen and optional rear seat entertainment. Safety: standard features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Conclusion: the 2024 Land Rover lineup exemplifies a blend of luxury, performance, and rugged capability. Whether you're drawn to the off-road prowess of the Defender, the high-end luxury of the Range Rover, the sporty character of the Range Rover Sport, or the versatile Discovery, Land Rover offers something for every discerning driver. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news.